days, and now it's 2 days on, 2 days off, so that's nice to get the win there. Feet up tomorrow, back for a really tough third round encounter against Svitolina.
Oh, that's going to be fun. Svitolina has been in some fine form as of recent. Can't wait to see the amount of shot making and movement. It's going to be contrasting styles though. Schneider's going to be trying to maneuver Svitolina around the court. Svitolina is more than okay with running side to side, but since coming back from her child, she's become a lot more aggressive. She's going to have to do that, trying to get Schneider on the move. Schneider doesn't defend as well as Svitolina, so try to force the issue, get Schneider into the corners. We're going to see those two battle it out.
Svitolina already a winner this season in Auckland. Andreeva, 2 in that section of the draw, already into the winner's circle. So a lot of players in good form in that particular section. We're going to continue our live coverage from Melbourne off the back of the break. Lot to come.
It is a very well day.
Another stunning day at Melbourne Park.
It's going to be tough, no matter what.
What a serve. Simply phenomenal.